Hello, welcome back. Today we are cooking brown rice. Brown rice is a great type of rice because it's a slow release carb and the energy will last you for a lot longer than the regular white rice. Here's a regular bowl and I can fit my fist in it, you can see, for a size reference. Today we're going to cook 1.5 bowls of rice and we'll see how much we get out of it. Measuring the amount of water with at least 1 bowl of rice is quite simple. You place your finger into the pot, just onto the surface of the rice, and where you see the water level ends up, it needs to be just below your first index finger's knuckle. And let's eat! Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if you have not subscribed yet, and I will see you next time.